Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is divided in two parts. The first part is classroom objects. The second part is rooms in the home. Let's get started with classroom objects. Pen, book, pencil, notebook, bookshelf, globe, map, board, wall, clock, bulletin board, computer, table, chair, ruler, desk, dictionary. Let me give you some examples with questions and answers. Where is the book? It is in the desk. Where is the map? It is on the wall. Now, let's talk about rooms in the home. Living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, attic, yard, garage, basement. Let me give you some examples with questions and answers. Where are you? I am in the kitchen. Where is Ben? He is in the living room. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones? They are in the yard. That's all for today. Goodbye. Hit that red button, subscribe right below.